Factors that affect fat. Fat intake, of course, affects how much fat you have in your body. The intensity and duration of the activity. So depending on how hard you're working out and how long it is, that will affect how much fat is actually burned. And finally, the degree of training. That means what kind of training you're doing. So some activities are better for burning fat than others. Okay? Next slide, please.
Can I press the button?
Yeah, I'll do that.
Who's pressing the button? I'm pushing the button.
It's a button.
Oh my gosh.
Let me just do the
One
last
second.
one.
I just want to.
Alright, almost done.
Anyone any questions so far? Okay, thank you. Proteins. The mighty proteins. So the body uses the amino acids from proteins to rebuild the muscles from exercise. When you work out, the muscles you use tear and rip. And they have to get rebuilt to get stronger.
Oh, sorry. I thought you were saying go that one.
Muscles speed up protein synthesis for up to 2 days after activity. That means after you work out and tear the muscles, those muscles will work for up to 2 days to rebuild the muscle. That's why, who here has ever heard of you should only work out a certain muscle group every other day? Who's heard that? So they say you should work out, let's say if you work out with the upper body, you work out your upper body every other day, because if you take it every day to do the same body muscle, it won't kill anything, it's still recovery mode. Got it? If you follow a healthy diet, you will not need supplements. You can obtain, you can obtain all necessary nutrients from a healthy diet. Questions?
Oh, Mr. G.
Yes.
This has something to do with nutrient stuff, but can you explain again why it's better for you to sit down and eat instead of standing up?
I mean, it's not really better or worse. I just feel like, me personally, when I eat, if I eat laying down, everything here is already scrunched up anyway. And then when you stand up, all the food gets pushed down. So you can eat more when you stand up, and it's worse for your digestion. And then you eat unnecessary things. You don't feel as full. I feel like if you sit down, everything inside is already kind of crunched, and it's already like, when you eat enough, you know when you eat enough.
Mr. G,
Yes.
to keep it balanced.
What?
Oh, okay. To keep it balanced, can you sit down and eat a little bit and then stand up to see how you feeling and then sit back and start eating?
If you want to, I mean, there's nothing wrong with that. 3.
So, what if, this new idea of sitting up straight, and so you sit up like this, and even though your bones are kind of going upwards, it's still okay, because you're still kind of, it's almost like standing up. I'm sitting down, but I'm in an upward position.
Yes.
So, that would hurt, yeah.
No.
You need the upper
Part 3, vitamins and minerals. Vitamins and minerals help to release energy from fuels. They carry blood cells to the body and allow proper muscle function.
And we get that picture.
And we get that picture.
There are 2 very important nutrients, which is for working out and for exercise. That's vitamin E and iron.
Oh, that's thick.
Vitamin E helps prevent oxidative damage to the muscles. What that pretty much means is that your body naturally, when you use any process, oxygen cells that aren't good for you, antioxidants, you know those will damage your cells. Vitamin E helps to keep care of those cells. Iron compromises aerobic activity. If you do not have iron in your body, you can get sports anemia and low blood hemoglobin.
Wait, can you say that word again?
Hemoglobin.
It's gonna cost my cat.
Hemoglobin.
I like that word.
Question 1.
So, I have an iron deficiency.
Okay.
So what am I supposed to do?
Most females, a high population of females have low iron deficiency.
My mom has that.
So a thing you can do is just try to increase your meat, extra meat per week. There also are iron supplements.
She has to take medicine.
You can take a daily vitamin with iron. Also, there's some things that have iron fortified foods, Like sometimes there's iron fortified milk. So stuff like that. Question 2.
For iron, while we're still on iron, I heard that if you like to
One
eat
second, we
ice,
have size. Do you have people have questions?
I heard that people who like to chew on ice also they need more iron in their diet.
It's so good. Is that true?
I know,
that's
Like,
what
I
I
chew
heard.
on ice all the time. I chew ice all the time, like I did this morning. I'm sorry. It's not good.
I do too, that's okay. Next slide, please.
Okay, not yet, I'm not changing. I'm
Anyone have any
not
questions?
But it's so good.
What? To what?
Chewing ice.
Oh, that's cool.
I want to make chocolate. I prefer if you take that way from your private area. This video here.
Okay, next slide, please.
Mr. G, are you ready to take?
Water. Water loss is inevitable during physical activity. So we learned from the first class that you always use water no matter what. Even when you breathe, you let water escape your body. Doing physical activity, you lose a lot more water than you would think. If you do not have enough water, we talked about this, you will have a impaired body temperature.
Homeostasis.
Yes. Reduced blood volume, an increased heart rate, headache, nausea, and impaired mental functions.
Did you take this picture?
When we work out, 2 to 3 hours before activity, you should drink 2 to 3 cups of water. 1 cup is 8 fluid ounces.
That's a lot of that.
So you should have, for instance, before 2 to 3 hours before activity, you should have 1 standard water bottle of water. 15 minutes before activity, you should have 1 to 2 cups of water. And then for every 15 minutes during your activity, you should have about half to 1 cup of water. Finally, after you are done working out, for every 2 pounds that you have lost weight during your workout, you must drink 2 cups of water.
So basically
Yeah.
every pound.
What? For every,
Basically every pound.
yes, for every pound you lose, you should drink 1 cup of water.
Oh my God.
That's because most body weight lost directly with workout routines is actually water weight. It's some sweat, and you need that water. You need to refill yourself with the water. Okay? Any questions?
Don't change.
This was
For
water.
extended, for actual weight loss and stuff like that, it's not about your direct, like right after your workout. It's accumulation. Muscle builds more calories just to be on its own. So the more muscle mass you have, the more calories you burn just by having that muscle in general. And it's about your overall daily activities and not just after one workout.
The fact that it has no flavor and that it's crunchy just makes it so good.
You're shaking.
Yeah, it's so cool. I don't do like big chunks, like the small ones, like those are the best. Like the ones that you can kind of crunch. I saw the big one.
Everyone done? Question? Next slide, please.